Very good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing pretty good. Before I kick off our discussion for today, I would like to share one thing with you. I am really enjoying this journey with all of you, and I'm hoping that you must be reciprocating the same feelings. So for me, understanding about anger is due to a very specific reason that I will be disclosing to you guys at some point in time during our journey. But till that time, I would try to drill more and more into it. In our last discussion, we talked about the comfort zones, why it is important to move ourselves from our comfort zone, right? Before we touch upon this topic again, while I was studying about anger, I came across a really interesting quote that I would like to share with you guys. So, and the quote was that, so anger is like a hot coal that we hold in our hand, waiting for an opportunity to be thrown it to someone else. So that was an eye-catching quote for me, because it looks like this is very much related. So it's like something which sits in our hand like a hot coal, which we can't afford to hold it for long, and therefore as a result of our anger behavior, we generally throw it to someone else. So let's continue our discussion about anger. So in our last discussion, we talked about a lot on the comfort zone, and then why it is important to move ourselves out of the comfort zones. So I will try to dwell a little bit into it, because for me this is a very interesting subject, and believe me that during our conversations we would be talking a lot about it, because as per my opinion, this is something is not only related to this topic of anger, but we will continue to do this exercise for quite many times in the future as well. So while we were discussing about the comfort zone, we talked about that why it is important for us to move out from the comfort zone. So by this time we know that this anger is like a habit, right? And habits are nothing but an outcome of our action that we do repeatedly, and as part of the mind mechanism, these habits are formed because mind generally tries to save energy by learning these tasks, because something, if you do repeatedly, for the mind it becomes an important task, and therefore to save the energy, it generally try to remembers the task until it becomes an autopilot task for all of us. And therefore, as part of the moving exercise of from our comfort zone to a different zone, what we were trying to do, we were primarily trying to push ourselves to move from the habits which we have formed by doing the task repeatedly. So that was the only reason I was emphasizing a lot on moving out from our comfort zones, and therefore I thought that I should be talking a little bit more about it, because I think that this is important to understand now that why we are touching upon this topic of comfort zone again and again. So as I said, this anger is an emotion, and since we do it repeatedly, it has become a habit for some of us. And to get rid of this habit, it is very important that we should learn the trick of moving out from our comfort zone, because by doing this habit of getting angry, it has now become a part of our life, and therefore to move something out of our mind which has already become a part of our life, the only remedy that we have in this world is to learn how to kick ourselves out of our comfort zone. Okay, and I think that by this time you guys already understand that we can do it, and believe me, this is a very interesting journey so far, and we are about to come to a closer to it, because in the background the execution has to happen from you guys. And I am thinking of concluding this video on this topic of anger today, because I believe that we talked a lot about it, and just to summarize whatever we have discussed from last many months, was primarily that anger is a habit. Habits are formed because the mind needs to save the energy, and this is the mechanism of it. And anger is not a bad habit, because it is required for our survival, but